Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use IFERROR function in Excel. In order to do that, I have created a product table with 10 products and their price and units sold still today. And we have the total price at the very end of this table. And from this table, I want to find what is the monthly average of each item sold. In order to do that, we are coming to D2 cell. And from here, we say equal and simply dividing the price with the units sold. B2 divide by C2. Press enter. The monthly average for this particular item, it's 0.1998. Copying formula to below cell, and as you can see, we have the monthly averages displayed, but in some cells we cannot display the average cell, but we have an error. It says you cannot divide the number by 0. This is error, okay? If you know maths and in mathematics, you cannot divide any number to 0. How to fix this? Deleting the formula that I have created, and I'm coming once again to D2, and from here I'm coming to formula section and we'll say equal IFERROR opening parentheses, and here wants the value in order to compare if this is true or false. We're dividing the price by the unit sold, and semicolon. If we have an error, what we are getting? No item sold. Closing the quotes. Closing parentheses, okay. We don't have any error for this particular item. The average is 0.998. Okay, let's copy the function to below cells. And you can see now we don't have the error that we got previously. You cannot divide the item, the price to units sold because it's 0, but instead of this we are getting the text of no item sold. Let's also align the text to the right side. Let's correct and see if it's working. We sold one item. Let's also fix this, 10 items. Okay, I'm also doing 0 once again. 0, 0, no any item sold, no item sold here. Okay, also we can, instead of text, we can write also a number or text. You can even choose. I'm coming here and I don't want to display any text. I want to just display the 0 number. Let's provide this to below cells. Okay. And you can see now we are displaying only numbers 0 with the decimals. So this video was like this. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next video, have a nice day. Bye bye. Be safe. I love you all. Bye.